Hello. In this video, we'll be showing you how to cite reference on the Oxford reference resource from the Oxford University Press collection. When you're on the subject you wish to reference, for this example being abdominal wall in the A to Z of plastic surgery book, just click on the pen icon, which happens to be the cite icon just located underneath the search engine on the right side of the screen. Once you do that, a pop-up menu should appear on the middle of the screen, set to the default cite option, APA. If you click on APA, a drop-down menu will appear giving you two other options to choose from, MLA and Chicago. Once you choose the citation style you wish to use, for example MLA, the citation will automatically change underneath. And finally, just highlight the citation and then copy and paste it into your assignment.